Today is January, what, 8th?
Something like that. Today is the first day Nina's gonna get food. Real food.
We are starting with a platter of sweet potato. She doesn't know what it is. Wants to put the plate in her mouth. Let's touch it. Oh.
Aww.
What is that?
What's that, baby? She's more fascinated about the plate.
She's seen us with these plates, but this is the first time she's having this plate. Drool. Do you want to taste it? Here, we'll use a little spoon. Here.
Oh, sorry, people. Got off. She's trying to put the spoon in her mouth. Such a Clark woman. Such a concubinous woman. Taking control. She's like, I know how to feed myself.
Here, I'll take it from here for a little angle. Angle change. Do you like that, babe?
Okay, multitasker. This may turn out a little dark because of our shadows, but you guys get the gist of it.
There's a lot of drool.
Nina TV signing off.
No, not yet.
Oh, we've been preempted. Give us more.
I can't get the spoon out of her grip. She won't let it go. Give me the spoon. Give me the spoon. Give me the spoon.
Nina's got a killer grip on the spoon. Would not let go of it.
I like your play-by-play, Will. They can see. Do you know that you can get more of whatever it is that you're eating right here? Okay. Girlfriend's a little congested. Do you like that? Should we do a little more? You're a natural. Do you like that?
Okay. Now Nina wants to eat in peace. So until next time, Nina TV signing off.